Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum. Comes equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine, paired with a continuously variable transmission, also known as CVT transmission. Other amenities included such as heated and ventilated leather seats, as well as DVD headrest entertainment system, Bose speaker sound system, trailer tow package with brake controller, and so much more. Come check it out. Okay, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with wood and chrome accent. On the bottom here, we're gonna have a cup holder and storage equipped with our speakers on the bottom as well. It's gonna come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows, as well as your seat memory, the chrome accent handle. Move in, you're gonna have your Pathfinder badging. You have your power adjustable, heated and ventilated leather seats, very comfortable. All right, moving in, we're gonna have the left vents, and down below, we're gonna have our heated steering wheel option, tow mode, as well as our blind spot monitoring and rear liftgate control. Onto the steering wheel, you're going to have your odometer control as well as your volume and voice recognition. And on the right side is your cruise control and your adaptive cruise or your follow distance indicator. So with the odometer, you can pretty much access your tire pressure, your other vehicle information, your four-wheel drive, music, navigation, and other various information as well. You're going to have push to start. You're going to have your trailer brake controller just under. You're going to have this wood on throughout the whole vehicle, right on to the center dash. Of course, it's going to have built-in navigation, as well as audio, Bluetooth connectivity, as well as Nissan Connect services, as well as you can access your voice recognition and your camera and sonar. Then below, you're going to have your DVD and CD entertainment right there. Obviously, with the ventilation, you're going to have two USB ports and a 12-volt DC port. You're going to have your heated seat options right there. You're going to have the shifter and, of course, your drive mode selector with your hill descent control. Obviously, we're going to have multifunctional center console with extra USB ports and an SD map card reader. Passenger side, power adjustable, heated and ventilated. You're gonna have that wood and chrome out the door, as well as the chrome right up there. Bose speakers up top, and as well, you can access your sunglass case holder, your SOS, and as well as your double sunroof. We're gonna have these 20-inch aluminum wheels here. We're gonna have the paint match mirror caps and then the chrome keyless entry door handle. You're also gonna have the luggage and roof rack right up top. Deep tint rear glass. Comes to the back. You're gonna have your trailer hitch just right there, as well as your powered rear liftgate. You have these all-weather mats in the back here as well, with extra hooks and ventilation. If you want, put these seats down. Lots of extra more room now. Lift this up with extra storage under, as well as your sub and acoustic wave system. While we're back here, we'll look at the third row seating. You're gonna have your cup holder and vents on the side, and you're just gonna have tinted glass and as well as speakers right in the back. It's a very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear now. On the bottom, we're gonna have, again, double cup holder, speakers on the bottom, extra cup holder with the power windows, and you're gonna have the lock and chrome accent handles. Once we get in the back, lots of leg room, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat, as well as rear ventilation and climate control. You're gonna have two USB ports and an AC wall charger, heated seating, as well as your volume and headphone input, and as well as your HDMI for your rear DVD entertainment system. You're just gonna have to put a disc in the front and control it from there. As well as right above you, that moonroof. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. As we checked out this 2018 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum. Comes equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 engine, as well as rear DVD entertainment system, Bose speaker sound system, trailer tow package with integrated brake controller, roof rack, double moonroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.